Hey everyone, today I want to show you a German pancake that is made grain-free that my friend Leslie showed me. Thank you, Leslie. My name is Robin. If you don't know me, I'm a nutrition coach and personal fitness trainer. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can check out Robin DeMarco Fitness for more. So, here's what we got here going on. 4 eggs, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons plus a teaspoon of cassava flour or tapioca flour, a teaspoon of vanilla. I love this raw vanilla bean powder. You can use extract as well. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and we got a tablespoon of honey and a teaspoon of ghee. Take the tablespoon of honey, and just for convenience sake, I already have everything measured out, and a teaspoon of ghee. This actually is a cross between, it's a ghee coconut blend. I just wanted to try it, and I think it's pretty yummy. So we have our oven preheated for 425. So we're just gonna pop this in for about a minute, just till it warms up and gets melted. So, got the eggs already. There's the 4 eggs already in the blender, just for convenience sake. And then we gotta take our coconut milk, dump that in. We've got our 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. We've got the cassava flour. Just dumping everything in. This is literally the easiest thing to make. Vanilla bean powder, cinnamon. So you want to do about 30 to 45 seconds of that. Again with this lid. Need to do some more workouts. Okay, honey melted. And just swirl it around. So obviously the oil is going to coat the bottom of the pan, but the honey is going to leave a little bit of a caramelized, crunchy bottom, which is awesome. In the oven now for 15 to 18 minutes until it's golden brown on top. Again, 425 degrees. See you in a bit. Looks perfect. So as you can see, it's golden brown and puffed up like a German pancake should. So again, it's grain-free, it has 4 eggs in it, so it's got lots of protein. I probably would split this with someone or have half today, half tomorrow. I hope you enjoy it, and if you want to stay away from sugar, which would be maple syrup, try doing a little maybe apple compote or banana on top. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoy.